Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, this is SafsLife.
Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome to another vlog. So today I am going to show you something super exciting, but first we're going for a trip to IKEA to get some storage, basically, because I need it for what I'm about to show you. Your what dress? I don't know, princess. You'll have to look for it. But Elise is here. Say hey.
Hey.
Hey. Yeah, so we're about to head to IKEA. You want to show them your t-shirt? Look at Elise's t-shirt. What does it say?
Alisa.
Alisa. It's so beautiful. So that's a little clue to what it is. But yeah, what are we doing today?
Yeah, we're going to IKEA, but I lost a dress for my doll and I need to find it because I'm bringing one toy.
Yes, I said they're allowed to take one toy. We're going to go to IKEA. We're going to have some food.
Mom,
we're going to get the storage. We
pen.
might have some ice cream. We'll see how it goes. Issa, don't bend it. Destroy everything, don't you? You think you're the Hulk.
Mine.
I like your t-shirt. Anyway, he thinks he's the Hulk, doesn't he? He thinks he's a Superman. That's not Superman. Is not Marvel, is it?
Two. We need to fix this now. Two. I two you. Two.
He thinks he's a superhero. He's so cute. Who are you? What superhero are you?
Isha.
Issa hero.
No.
Yeah, so we're about to get Issa's nappy changed and get him ready and then go. But I just thought I'd also give you a little update on Issa's potty training. Basically, he refuses, like he point blank refuses to go potty. Issa should go potty.
No.
You want to go toilet?
No.
You need a wee wee?
No.
Need a poo poo?
No.
That's what I get. But he refuses to go to the toilet. He refuses to even sit on the toilet or the potty. He just hates it. So I've decided he's not ready. And he will be ready, inshallah, soon. Tomorrow when he goes to nursery, I'm going to say to nursery, I want to start potty training him. So I was wondering if you can help, see if they actually do anything about it, see if they want to, like, you know, give him a little nudge. They might be better at kind of
Mommy.
encouraging kids to go to the toilet, and they might not mind them weeing all over the floor. I don't even know. I don't know how it works, but we'll see if they can do anything. And yeah, inshallah, we will be able to get Issa potty trained soon, because he is going to be three next month. Issa, you're going to be, how old are you going to be? Three. How old are you? 5?
Oh.
5 years old. Anyway, so we are gonna head off to IKEA soon. So hello, we're just waiting for Lisa in the toilet.
You got this.
What have you got? You got a wooden spoon. How cool are these spatulas? They're only 50p. So cool. Is that for me? Thanks. You're a pirate. Are we fighting? Is that fun? I just got home, guys. Kids both fell asleep in the car. So they're both asleep on the sofa right now. I have the worst hay fever today, so my nose is probably red and I just feel like rubbish. So it was an eventful trip. Yeah, so I bought a cupboard. Basically I put the one that I was going to get in the trolley. Went to the bargain corner, and as I walked through the bargain corner they were bringing in the exact same thing that I just put in my trolley. So I was like, are these going on sale? And the guy was like, yeah, we're just about to put a price on them now. I was like, okay, I'm taking one. I don't care how much it is, I'm just gonna take it, because obviously it's not going to be more than what I've already got in my trolley. So I got it for £20 instead of £29, so I'm very happy with that. Love myself a bargain, love it. So I'm going to rearrange this room a little bit and just make it a little bit more usable, do you know? I don't really know what I'm going to do, but we'll see. So this is what it looks like now. And then I'm going to just switch it up a little bit. So it is a little bit later. The kids are awake. They are not happy that they are awake. But it is nearly 7 o'clock, guys. Nearly 7 o'clock. They had to wake up so that they could go to bed today. But they've got school tomorrow. Yeah?
Mom, I ate noodles twice.
Yeah.
I ate noodles twice too late at noodles.
That's so good. So
3 days.
yeah. So the kids, I've just put some noodles on for the kids. These are the cocoa noodles. You can get them from Home Bargains. I've seen them in B&M and like Asda, Tesco, everywhere. So they're having noodles. I'm not really that hungry right now because I had salmon in IKEA earlier. So I'll probably make myself something to eat when the kids are in bed or something. I don't know, we'll see. But
Hey, Mom.
the noodles are just cooking. Yeah.
They are having noodles.
Are they? Who?
Yeah.
Adley. But I thought I would show you a quick haul of what I got from IKEA. I didn't get that much, but I thought I'd show you anyway. Got some scissors. These are 50p. I got a couple of knives. These were £2 for 2 knives, so I don't know how good they're going to be, but just thought I'd try them out anyway. I got some wooden spoons. I got this spatula. It's like a slanted spatula. It's strange, but looks good for like breaking up quinoa and stuff. Got a wooden spoon. I got some lemon and dill sauce for when I make salmon, like if I want it IKEA style. And then the last thing I got was some little food bags, which are just perfect for everything. I just love these food bags. And that's what I got, apart from the storage unit, of course. But my kitchen is such a mess. So while these noodles are cooking, I'm going to just tidy up my kitchen really quickly, because after the kids have eaten, they're gonna have a bath. So I just thought, get this out of the way while I'm in the kitchen, and then, you know, crack on with the day, the evening, the night, whatever. So guys, it is a little bit later. The kids have had a bath, haven't you? Have you had a bath?
Yeah.
And they're all ready for bed. Now Elisa is reading her school book, because
Now
we have been so busy over this half term that we haven't had a chance to do the reading, and then Mum was like, we forgot to read. So we're going to sit down here and read her book, and then we're going to go to bed. I'm just so tired. I'm going to talk to you after I have got these guys to bed. The kids are finally asleep. They fell asleep at 10:30, and they've got school and nursery from 8 in the morning tomorrow. Issa's in at 8, Elisa's in at 8:45. But guys, I thought I would tell you what I've been doing. I haven't spoken about this yet because I was just so unsure on whether I was going to do it or not, but I have bought my own machines so that I can do my own hoodies, basically. Well, not just hoodies, like t-shirts, just clothes and stuff like that, because I've been going to my best friend's boyfriend to get it done. And like I couldn't kind of experiment and do my own kind of designs and stuff like that, so I kind of just wanted to do that. And I have just been experimenting, and I've literally just had it for like 3 days already, but I've just been trying things out, learning how to use it, and it's just like I love it so much. I think it's like, I don't know, it's just something that I never really knew existed, and then now that I know it does and what you can do with it, I just love it. Like, you can do anything. It's so good. But I'm so excited because I'm going to be selling my designs, and I haven't decided which ones yet, and I want you guys to be part of it. Like, I want you guys to tell me what you like and what you want. So I don't want it to be kind of just like set things. I want you guys to order things personalized in a way. Like, I don't know, like for example, this is one that I did today. I've only done about 3 or 4 different things so far, but this is one that I've done today, and I love this one, but I feel like it could be better. Like, it is nice, but it could be improved. So let me show you. This is the t-shirt that I've done, and I spent so long figuring out how to kind of get this design. I had to do 3 different cuts, and I did mess up a little bit here, but this one isn't going on sale, so it's cool. I just love it. Like, look at the gold, and then it's got a white Palestine scarf design. Did you guys know that these things mean things? These things mean things. I can't remember exactly. Like, this one's for fishing, and this one represents like I don't even know. But basically, just love this design so much. But I feel like if this was bigger, it would be better. Or if this was like centered, and then Palestine was like underneath it, or if it was just that on its own, wouldn't that look so cool? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments and give me some inspiration on what you like. So yeah, this is just a t-shirt. This is like, if I was to sell this, this would be on sale for like £15, I think. But it took so long because you have to kind of weed out all of these little bits, and like with these kind of things, a lot goes into it, and it takes a lot of time to kind of do it all. Like, it's not just like, yeah, print it out and it's done. You have to, there's so many steps and so many different things. This is why, like, I wanted to do it myself, because I didn't want to like design something, give it to somebody else to do, and then the pressure's on them to get the final thing right. Do you know what I mean? So now that I've got it all myself, I'm so, I can't even explain to you how happy I am that I have all of this stuff now, because alhamdulillah, I can do everything myself, and I'm so happy. So yeah, so if you guys have ordered a free Palestine thing, I will be doing that myself here. And yeah, that's what's been happening. Let me show you my setup that I've got so far. So it's not the neatest thing in the world. I need to get a new chair. This one hurts my back so much, it's horrible. But this is all my makeup stuff still there, and then that's all like makeup stuff in there. And then this part is like my working area. I sit here, I edit, I do all the stuff on my laptop like that you need to print out from here, and then once it's printed from there, I'll sit here and like pick all the bits out. And then that is my heat press, so it kind of melts this vinyl onto the t-shirt. That's what that is for. And then this is what I went to IKEA today to get. So I've got loads of storage. These are like tops that I've got that have not been sold yet. They're like just the stock that I've got, but I think I need a different storage solution for that, because I am planning to get more stuff. I actually have ordered more stuff today because I had to do a little order for some sweatshirt orders. This one has got some vinyl in it. I need to make it a little bit more organised because it's a mess. This is my printer, which I have plans on to do things with that. I haven't even gone there yet, basically. This is some more kind of t-shirts and hoodies and stuff. There's also like cardstock and stuff like that in there, because my sister is getting married in July, like her wedding. And I've said that I'm going to try and do some like place cards. Are they called place cards? The things that have people's names on? I think they are. but I'm gonna try and do some of those because why not? I've got this machine now, so I can do things. I'm going to be making cake toppers for somebody. Somebody is like, I don't know what to call this person because she is my sister's sister-in-law, so she's my sister's husband's sister, but like I've known her since I was like 10, 12, 13, 10, 9, I don't even know, like really young, and just call her my sister's sister-in-law. If I'm talking about her to anybody that doesn't know her, I say my sister's sister-in-law, but it sounds so long and so stupid. She's my friend. She's my friend. My friend. I'm gonna do cake toppers for her anyway, and then there's just other things that I'm planning to do as well, but exciting times, inshallah. This is like the start of something new, exciting, and it's just like, I did art in college and I never really took it anywhere, and I feel like this has like opened up so many like possibilities because it's just something that I can do now, and I'm really excited about it. Can you tell I'm excited about it? Anyway, that's what's been going on, guys. This is why I've been a little bit quiet everywhere. I've just been like non-stop working, doing things, getting things done. Also, let me know if you'd like to see like some behind the scenes and like explaining how to do things, that kind of thing, because I'm kind of learning things myself, so I'm not exactly sure on how to do things, but I can show you what I'm doing. You know what I mean? Anyway, that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, I will see you in my next video. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.
Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah.